Gotcha. Oo. No more. Palok puwet. Who teach her that? Ah, daddy. Ay, laging ulan? Oh, grabe, oh. Lumangoy ba kayo nung may baha? Binaha din kayo diyan, Maricar, sa Laguna? Jumping jack. Jumping jack. Thank you, Shalane. Wow. Whoa. Daddy got. What's your trick? Whoa. Whoa. Wow, you did it. Try it again. Ay, sa inyo la. Oh, okay. Hirap no? Mahirap ngayon. It's 7 p.m. here in Alaska. Don't forget to subscribe, Strawberry Girl. I know it's daylight here in Alaska. See, it's cloudy though. Look, Dad is coming. Ala, may mumu na naman dyan na. Aisa. May dagdag view sa mga mumu. Okay. Kabo naka 5,000 lang ba tayo? 4,000. Ngayon 21,000 ata. Mahina kahapon. Baka first day ng school. Diyos ko, pagoda tayo. Diyos, ang daming trabaho. Ay, ay, ay. Ready, Freddy? How do you ask anak? Okay. What do you like? This one?